How to draw an isometric window. First, setting your canvas. A new layer and set it to drawing axis. First, start to draw a rod, then draw a blind. You should separate the layer between the blind and the rod. Okay, you can draw just one piece of wire and then duplicate, and then you can connect them together. And at this point, as if the left blind is done, you can merge all the layer and then duplicate the whole thing and move to the right side. Next, start to draw a window as well behind the blind. It's done.